Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we dive into the 2025 Renault Captur S, a compact SUV that combines stylish design, modern technology, and efficient performance in one impressive package. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers practicality with a touch of sportiness, the Captur S might just be the perfect fit. Right off the bat, the design of the 2025 Captur S grabs attention. Renault has refined the exterior, giving it a sharper, more aggressive look. The updated front fascia features a bold new grille with a signature LED light signature that seamlessly blends into the sculpted headlights. The dynamic lines and sporty bumpers emphasize the car's youthful and adventurous personality. At the rear, sleek taillights and a contrasting roof option add to the premium feel. And let's not forget those stylish alloy wheels that enhance its road presence. Step inside, and you're greeted with a high-tech, driver-centric cabin. Renault has significantly improved the interior materials, offering a soft-touch dashboard, refined upholstery, and a more spacious feel. The Captur S now comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen with Renault's latest Easy Link system, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The ambient lighting gives the cabin a modern and sophisticated atmosphere, making every drive enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Captur S offers multiple powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient petrol engine, a mild hybrid, and even a plug-in hybrid variant for those looking to embrace greener driving. The hybrid system intelligently manages power delivery, ensuring optimal efficiency while providing smooth acceleration. With improved fuel economy and lower emissions, the Captur S is an excellent choice for both city commutes and long highway drives. But performance isn't just about efficiency, it's also about driving dynamics. Renault has fine-tuned the suspension and steering to offer a more engaging experience on the road. The Captur S feels agile and responsive, making it easy to navigate through traffic while still offering stability at higher speeds. Multiple driving modes allow you to tailor the performance to your preference, whether you want a more relaxed cruise or a sportier feel. Safety is always a priority, and the 2025 Captur S comes packed with the latest driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking ensure a safer and more confident drive. Renault's ProPILOT system also provides semi-autonomous driving assistance, making long trips more comfortable and stress-free. In terms of practicality, the Captur S excels. The rear seats offer ample space for passengers, and the boot capacity is generous for a compact SUV. Whether you're carrying groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear, this vehicle provides plenty of storage solutions. With a striking design, advanced technology, versatile performance, and enhanced safety features, the 2025 Renault Captur S stands out in the competitive compact SUV market. It's an ideal choice for those who want style, efficiency, and modern convenience in one package. What do you think about the 2025 Renault Captur S? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.